Is it the right time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, December 13, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy candidate with a score of 7.56. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 34.27% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy 29 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.18% since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. A break above the top trend line at $51.69 would indicate an even stronger rate of rise. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 23.37% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -8.91% to 30.84%. On the 12-month trend, there is a projected 83.55% change over the next year, with a potential return between 29.11% and 114.7%. This translates to a price range of $62.93 to $104.64 after 1 year. Our latest update on the TQQQ ETF brings a stronger technical forecast for its price after Wednesday's trading. On Wednesday, December 13, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price increased by 3.53%, going from $47.08 to $48.74. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced a 4.18% fluctuation, reaching a low of $47.10 and a high of $49.07. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 instances, resulting in a 10.17% increase over the past 2 weeks. The recent increase in volume, along with the price, is a positive technical indicator. Additionally, there were 43 million more shares traded than the previous day, totaling 113 million shares with a value of approximately $5.52 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $49.07, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 0.67% or $0.329 below the 52-week high and 74.47% or $142.14 below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF has received positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $45.25 and $40.97. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, October 26, 2023, and since then, the stock has risen by 57.94%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a good technical signal. However, there are some negative signals as well, which may impact the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a sell signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal 34 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average gives a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 26 days ago. Now, let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. When it comes to downside support, TQQQ has two key levels to watch. Just below today's level, there's support from accumulated volume at $44.40 and $44.24. It's important to note that when an ETF is testing a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ would find support at $44.40 first, and if that level is broken, the next support would be at $44.24 and $37.35. TQQQ is generally traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. Looking at the last day, the ETF had a price range of $1.97, 4.18%, between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 3.48%. Today, we're going to dive into the potential day trading levels for TQQQ. Looking at the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a scenario, it would be wise to enter a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $44.40. If this support level holds, it could present a great opportunity for entry, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $47 with a decrease of 3.58%. This ETF exhibits low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 33 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQQ shows multiple positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Based on these factors, we believe it is a good choice at its current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold/accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For the trading day on Thursday, December 14th, we expect TQQQ to open lower by $0.437 and begin trading at $48.30. Before we dive into the content, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please be aware that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By accessing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below and share your opinions. We're also curious about your target for the ETF. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights for successful trading. Wishing you a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.